Leave a comment in the comment section. Is the friend zone good or is the friend zone bad? I'm gonna give y'all some time for that. Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm back in effect. Alright, let's get right into this video. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about the friend zone. Is the friend zone good or is the friend zone bad? Leave a comment in the comment section. Is the friend zone good or is the friend zone bad? I'm gonna give y'all some time for that. Anyway, let's talk about it. When I was younger, I used to think being in the friend zone was real bad. Why? Because it's like, ooh, I'm your friend, but you letting all these other guys hit. These other dudes, they smashing. And I gotta be the friend. Oh, I gotta wanna be the friend. I wanna hit too. Now I'm boo-hooing. Ooh, I ain't got no hoes. I'm the friend. I'm the best friend. Nah, this day right here, today, man, I love being in the friend zone. What? See, when you're young, you don't really know too much about what's going on. We're not aware of anything. But now that I know, it's way more women out here in society than it is men. It's way more, I don't care what nobody say. It's way more women out here than it is men. So as a man, you can have your way out here. So let's get back to the friend zone. It's so many different chicks out here to where as a man, you can have hella options. So if you got hella options, it's gonna be so many options to where you don't have to hit everything. You can be friends with some of these chicks. Be cool with them, kick it with them, you know, have a few drinks with them, go out to eat with them. You ain't gotta hit nothing. But best believe they might have some friends, some buddies that come along. The buddy might look better than her. You kicking it with the buddy like, damn. You my friend, but your buddy, I don't know your buddy, she can come hang with me too. So now your buddy hanging with us, you can end up hitting the buddy just off her. But then watch how the friend getting in her feelings. She might get in her feelings. Like I said, man, it's way too many women out here to be hitting everything. You ain't gotta hit everything. My OG homies, man, they used to talk down on me because I wasn't smash no chicks like that. And you know what they said? They used to talk shit like, these chicks got you in the friend zone. You like the gay best friend. You like the gay best friend. That's what they was telling me. Talking good junk. And these the same dudes that's throwing dudes under the bus because they trying to get a chick. Like we ain't outnumbered by these women. But I ain't gonna get into that. That's different. Let's get back to this friend zone. Nah, it's like the way that you can smash these chicks now is by acting like you don't want it. If you act like you don't want it, she don't feel pressured by it. So she gonna damn near just give it up to you. She gonna come to you with it. You be like, whoa, I ain't on that. But you know you ain't gonna turn down, you end up hitting anyway. And the best thing about that, it ain't no title to it. Cause y'all friends. That's the best thing ever. Is when you can when you can smash your friends. And they can't get mad, they can't accuse you of cheating, none of that. Cause we friends. That's the best thing about the friend zone. But the thing on you guys end, y'all gotta keep it player. Y'all can't be telling y'all homies that you hit her. That's why I'm so glad I ain't got no friends now, cause I ain't got nobody to talk to about the chicks that I do deal with. I ain't got no friends to talk to. I don't talk to other. I don't talk to I can't talk to dude about what I'm doing, cause a dude gonna throw you on the bus and act like a woman before a woman will. That's crazy. But with some of these chicks though, I hate to say it, but I'm gonna keep 100. You can talk to a chick that's in the friend zone about another chick that you hitting. Some of them ain't gonna wanna hear it, cause your friend that's in the friend zone, she gonna catch some feelings. She might catch a few feelings, so she ain't gonna hear it like that. But other chicks that you got in the friend zone, they really wanna hear it. But like I said, keep it player though, and watch, she gonna end up giving it to you. That shit crazy how it work now. That woman gonna end up giving it to you. She gonna give you some of that. Like, I'm gonna give you my situation right now. I got this little chick, right? She cool as hell. She's gorgeous, fine. But she got me in the friend zone though. But at the same time, we doing things that friends shouldn't be doing. So then, like, she'll tell me, like, cause I get freaky with her and say something to her. And then she'll turn around and tell me, like, why don't you have one of your other friends do that for you? Why don't you have one? That's when you know we got a good connection. When you dealing with a chick and she tell you some shit like, why don't you have old girl do that? That means she know you got other women and she's allowing you and she ain't tripping on it. That's it. That's it. But at the same time, you gotta keep it played though, cause now you know this ain't your girlfriend and she don't care about you like that. That means you can't really care about her like that. So if she dealing with other guys or another guy, you can't get mad at it. You can't be no sucker. You gotta keep it pimping. That's why I say you gotta have other chicks too. Like, I'ma say, now this is far-fetched for me because I want to do this. This is way too many women for me. But let's say you got 10 chicks, right? You got 5 that you smashing on. That's too many women for me alone right there. 5. I'm not about to be smashing on 5 different chicks, but say you got 5 to smash on, right? You got another 5 in the friend zone. That's a ball right there. As a single man, you can have a ball finessing. Boom, boom, boom. You can. That's a bar right there. But that's too many for me. That's too many for me. That's for the young men, man. The young men, y'all got a lot of time and y'all ain't really focused on goals none right now, so y'all could do that. But as a man like me, man, I can't really have too many. I'd say about 2 or 3 at the max. But yeah, that friend zone it's a lovely place. It depends on how you play it though. A lot of y'all can't play the friend zone. Y'all get mad as hell. What you mean? Why you gay? You gay Ray Ray son? You won't get me none, but you gay Ray Ray. You can't be like that. If she don't give you none, okay, that's cool. I won't get none from you, but I'll get some from Jessica up the street, and you can still be my friend. That's how you gotta play it, man. That's how you gotta play it. So that's the truth about the friend zone right there. What I want to say? Oh yeah, let me get to these gurus that y'all be listening to. These YouTube gurus these musclehead ass gurus who y'all be listening to. Talking about she's going to put you in the friend zone, and once you're in the friend zone, you can't get out of it. Like, do you musclehead motherfuckers know y'all? Do y'all do y'all research? If you muscleheads was to do y'all research, y'all would know that it's way more women than it is men. You can have your way with these women. You ain't got. If one chick put you in the friend zone, so what? Find another one. You can find 10 more. Y'all tripping off of one. She's going to put you. She might be the main one. Oh yeah, I thought I had the main one too. Till I found about 5 of them. Like, you were like a one chick real bad. Ooh, I want her so bad. She don't want me though. She put you in the friend zone. Oh my God, I'm in the friend zone. Oh. Guess what? I got about 3 more that's bad as her. That's why you gotta put yourself out there and keep shooting your shot. And you ain't gotta shoot your shot to holler to smash a chick. You can shoot your shot just to make a friend with a chick. Man, females love when you flirt with them. Just talk good junk to them. And be friends with them, man. That's all y'all gotta do, man. Y'all be making it complicated. Then y'all listen to these musclehead gurus and they telling y'all the wrong thing. They just got the subscribers and the likes and stuff so everybody believe them. But anyway, man, let me know if y'all want to see more of me or hear more of me. Like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you. Peace.